In this tutorial, we'll guide you step by step on how to calculate the average value of a group of numbers of any size using Excel. Let's say you want to calculate the average sales per week and per product. We'll show you how to do it in a jiffy. First, select the cell where you want the result to appear, in this case, cell C10. Type in the equal sign and start typing the word average. Excel will immediately offer the standard average value function. Double-click to select it. Next, you'll need to specify the group of numbers you want to include in the calculation. Click on cell C4, then hold and drag until you reach location C9. Excel will receive the information that these are the numbers to be included in the average calculation. Add bracket and hit enter. You've calculated the average number of sales made in the first week. But what if you need to calculate the average for other weeks? It's a piece of cake. Click on the cell containing the formula, place the pointer to the right bottom corner to see a little plus sign. Click and hold the left mouse button and drag through all the cells where you need the formula to calculate the averages. That's it. Excel will automatically calculate the average values per week for you. The formula works with any group of cells you need. You can also use the same method to calculate the average per product in individual rows. But wait, there's more. Here's a little tip to help you calculate the average of any two or more numbers on the spot. Simply mark cells with numbers you want to calculate the average of, and you'll see the average of the selected numbers in the lower right bottom of the spreadsheet. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can easily calculate averages in Excel. If you found this video tutorial helpful, please give us a like or leave a comment below and watch another video tutorial on how to in 2 minutes.